home after more than a decade and the tears flowed. Kkrytical finally tasting success thanks to loyalty.
Love me dogs for free, now I feel this on a rum chat. They up on the block and we consume out at the one pot.
I used to be on the church choir, I used to play the drums. We transitioned over into beating the decks at high school and singing like other dancehall artist songs, and we started making our own music.
The church people must have said, oh no, we lost another one to the devil.
Well, I don't think they recognize it's me right now, so I grew up in Waterford, so you don't know, automatically we are going to look up to the teacher, so you don't know, we just decide to say, all right, most of my friends are DJ, and each person like just start DJ one by one. Artist influence we, our friend them influence we.
Kkrytical entered Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall, later taking a path followed by many before him. After relocating from Portmore to Clarendon, his next move, New York, aged 21.
Is that a good age to be arriving in New York City?
Well, no, trust me, especially without your mom and dad and your support system. It's hard. We work a restaurant, we do a bag of things, and then we decide to, all right, we need to start talking about this music thing. Just like Jamaica, you go out, you promote, same thing in New York.
Money language where the dance speak.
On arriving in New York, I link up with CJ the chemist. We never know which direction we did I go. We just a drop song. It took a little like disappointment from people from a decide to say, all right, I guess I just have to do this myself. So people feel me, and we decide to say, all right, I gotta produce my own album then. You know, you can't feel sorry for yourself and I say, yo, I'm not getting no support, so I'm not gonna do music, or that person you not support me, that person you not give me the strength, or that person you not, you know me, you get up and you do it yourself then.
Kkrytical experiencing a string of what he calls trials and failures before packaging an album titled Underrated, with a track called Loyalty included almost as an afterthought.
Family, your family, no tell me about no friend. Every night me pray to Jah fi protect me brother, them and we can tell about loyalty.
A hell of a vibe and vented basically, because I didn't write the song or anything. Because I'm not trying to go to that direction right now. I'm trying to do the modern day dancer trap type of energy. You get what I'm saying? Forget the attention of the people. Album drop 2023, ending of 2024 now. Chin, that's my manager, hit me up and say, yo, Loyalty is a song. And I said, yo, that's not the direction I want to go. He said, no, that's the direction you should go. He said to make a 1-minute video and send it to him. I never get so much likes and share on no song before. So we started to run with Loyalty now. Ending of 2024, the whole of 2025, now in 2026, one of the biggest songs in a dancehall.
And if them this the family, them never was so fret. Big up my brother Dandy, we are do this to the end. We are tell about loyalty.
So what did it feel like to have a song that was finally getting some traction?
Well, you know, it was a sense of like more, I don't know how to put it, like relief. It's not like I'm overly excited. It's more like giving thanks. You get what I'm saying? A weight come off of my shoulder now for say, yo, all these years I doing music, but finally, you know, I get the attention of the people and with some good music. This had more meaning, this had more potency, because I was initially trying to break into dancehall, because the first album I did had that crossover energy. And I sat by myself, analyzed it and said, yo, all right, I see what the dancehall I go right now, I see the type of beat them and them something there. Call down Jamaica, say, yo, what the thing them man them I say, yeah. And him say, yo, bro, you have to sing about scamming, you have to sing about car, you have to sing about girls. It so end up that the night when they load up the beat in the studio, Loyalty just come out. Being that I know someone I want to sing them type of song, so it's like, I don't know, maybe it's just a blessing.
Protect the points and for we kids, them now go see we in a
You can see say it was coming from a place where I felt betrayed, I felt like, you know, so you see me, like it was a real personal night in the studio.
Kkrytical only returning home this summer because, well, to have tried earlier might have been risky.
Well, you don't know it already, Anthony, when you go to New York City and you feel like, say, there are a place where you're searching for a better life, a better environment, a better, you know, something more purposeful in a life. you feel like foreign at the place. Everybody feel like foreign at the place.
And reading between the lines, you didn't want to jeopardize your status in New York by coming back here and maybe not being able to get back
Exactly. So it's like, you know, we try the whole thing in order to be able to come back home. It never work out. You understand what I say? And then you don't know. We just basically gave up at one point.
And when you were able to step off that plane and you're back home in Jamaica, many years later, what did that feel like?
Hot.
Literally.
Yeah, literally. But to be real, like it was a, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? It was a emotional feeling. You get what I'm saying? Stepping through the airport. I wanted to, you know, like for the like overseas so long and you see me. Wanted to like put too much rain. I can't, you know. You see me, but
no, I don't see you. You don't want to what? You know, be emotional about things like that?
Yeah, you see me. Yeah, but trust me, it's a great feeling for come back home.
And what was the first thing you wanted to do having got back home?
Buy some KFC. Yeah, man, but trust me, man. Dog.
You know, Kkrytical, it's good to let emotions out. Everybody has feelings and everybody sheds tears.
I know, man, but Jano, I don't want me to look much up on the thing, dog.
This is going to be the moment that people remember, and this is going to be the moment that people bond with you because they empathize with your feelings. You're coming home after, it's what, 10 years, and you're
long.
You're seeing Jamaica for the first time. Of course, that's going to be emotional.
More than 10 years. More than 10 years. Like, you know, just for be home on a whole is a very great feeling. For see the trees, for taste the food, everything. Trust me. And not just about the music, isn't it?
What was the first thing that struck you? Had the place changed a lot since?
Yeah, man, the airport look well small. Man, I know how airport gets so small. Because when I left, airport was big.
Every night to preach to church, I protect my brother, them as we got to tell you about.
Kkrytical appeared at Best Weekend Ever and later at Beenie Man's Summer Sizzle, where predictably his song Loyalty struck a chord with fans. He's also recorded Asphalt to collab with Chronic Law.
What's something about the music business that you wish would change?
I just wish like the consumers of the music would pay more attention to real music instead of what's like viral, a bag of gimmicks and a bag of viral moments where don't last.
How do you want to package yourself going forward, I guess is what I want to ask you.
Me definitely, I gotta show out some authentic dancehall music, good music, and try to reach the top. We try to make songs like Loyalty, we are gonna last 15, 16 years. My son, kids can grow up and know, say, all right, grandpa sing that song there. You get what I'm saying? So we are go towards that direction. We not sing a song for the last 3 months or 6 months. Mind you, we can, and we do it, but we still are gonna make more song with potency. We can actually last in the music and make we rich, like Shaggy them and Warrington Levy them and Berry Sam and them and all them and isn't it?
Family, girl, family, no tell me about no friend. Every night me pray to Jah Jah fi protect me brother, them and we got tell about.